It's vegan fresh. I mean, I like vegan fresh because, I mean, the name states it itself. I'm vegan. I've been vegan for 3 years. And it's been a difficult transition because the lack thereof places like this that have wholesome, nutritious food.
Burritos and the burgers are great, but like I just can't commit to one thing, which is the reason I like that. Also, the fried plantains are the most amazing thing.
The very name of the restaurant is spot on, vegan fresh, because the salads are updated almost hourly.
Blue zones around the world are where people generally live longer than normal. Loma Linda has the highest concentration of Seventh-day Adventists in the United States. Some residents live 10 more healthy years than the average American by following a healthy diet of grains, nuts, fruits, and vegetables.
So we're, kind of proud of that distinction. And what is most exciting to us, I think, is that food, as well as plant-based food, vegan food, really brings people together and brings people into this restaurant or into our lives that we would in no other way meet.
And here in Vegan Fresh Restaurant, we have opportunity to serve 50 to 60 people a day, and that gives us opportunity to minister, to share with people and have them have literatures, ask questions about our belief, about who we are, about why we do what we do.
Good to go?
Yes. Would you like a bag or
No.
utensils and napkins are over there to your right?
I'm gonna eat it right now.
Have a great day.
So I immediately was drawn to the atmosphere that comes with Virginia's interest in food and her mission statement for this place.
People come here that has not known anything about God or how God or food relate to our relationship with God. So they're able to not only pick up literature because we have a table that they can pick it up. Not only that, so I talk to my customers as they sit eating. Can I go greet them? Can I chat with them? And so it's a ministry. It's not just eating food. It's feeding the body as well as their soul.
People we would never see in our, sort of our normal lives. And we have seen fruit, and really that's what this is all about, is doing that outreach, as well as promoting a healthy lifestyle and plant-based nutrition.
And when I found this place, I was hooked. I came, honestly, every day that week. I was just so overwhelmed with excitement that everything was not packaged. Nothing was packaged. I couldn't believe it. And I just kept coming back. And I had my husband, who is a non-vegan, try it, and he was like, wow, this is delicious.
My favorite thing to get at Vegan Fresh is the plantain platter, which just has a variety of different things. And I think it's you get 5 items and it's customizable, and there's always something new that you can substitute in, and which I think is nice because you get to sample a lot of things because all the food is so good.
There's a gorilla burger that's served here, and a little sign that shows the gorilla and states that gorillas are vegan. So I just loved learning tidbits of information by coming here.
We have had several people come to church indicating, their understanding about the relationship food has with God. They come to Bible study after church in our home, my husband and I. And so it's been a great ministry. It's been a really great ministry.
Virginia, we're going to be good friends. And we have. I've gone to church with her, and we did become good friends.
That's number one inspiration, to make people live, healthy life.
So we have a really kind of a diverse clientele that we, as I said, would never meet in our regular lives.
She educated me so well to fully understand that these are the bare necessities, and that's the best way to fuel your body, is on the bare necessities without all the additives.